Umesake Kit Kat.
Can we eat it? Okay, let's eat it. Are you gonna allow me to, guys? The camera isn't in me, is it? Is it now? Hello, guys. So today, I hope you like my channel, what I make. So today we're gonna be trying some of these rose cakes. Here one I am trying, right just now. Here. Cool, isn't it? So we're gonna have a rose. We're gonna eat a real rose from Japan in Tokyo.
Tokyo Rose.
That one's more lighter. This one's more darker, the rose. Yeah. Mama, what's the count? In Japan, everyone gets in package of plastic. They call it a fresh tulip rose. There. So we're gonna try it. This doesn't taste like tulip rose much.
What does it do?
It's like icing.
And the petals?
But not like icing,
And
like
the petals?
real icing.
Petals?
It tastes like dried